Okay, so wait. Can we just be real for a second? Wigs can feel super intimidating at first, right? Like, you want it to look natural, not slide off in the wind, and also, you don't want to glue your scalp every morning. If you've ever stood in front of your mirror like, where do I even start with wigs? Girl, this video is totally for you. Hey loves, I'm Jennifer Angular, and welcome back to my channel where we keep it real about beauty, beginner-friendly hair tips, and everything that makes you feel good in your skin. Today, I'm breaking down the best glueless wigs to buy for beginners, like literally, the ones that'll have you out the door in 5 minutes without stress, glue, or drama. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. Beginners Synthetic Lace Front Wigs for Women. Alright, Sue. If you're like, what even is a lace front? Don't stress, I got you. A lace front wig just means the hairline part has a piece of lace with the hairs sewn in, so it gives that scalp realness. It helps the wig look natural, like it's growing from your head. Now, synthetic means the hair isn't human, it's made from fibers, but girl, these days, the quality is insane. Like if you told me this one wasn't real hair, I wouldn't believe you, no cap. So I found this super beginner-friendly synthetic lace front wig on Amazon. Let me show y'all. It's the glueless pre-plucked synthetic wig with natural hairline and wee wits giving scalp, okay? Here's what I love about it. It's glueless, so no adhesives. Comes pre-plucked, the hairline looks natural out the box. Heat-resistant, so yes, you can style it with a flat iron. And it has adjustable straps plus combs inside so it feels secure. I tried it on, and I swear, I looked in the mirror like, wait, this is me? Okay, real quick, if this is your first time, let me give you a few tips. Don't freak out when you first open it. Wigs always look kinda crazy straight out the pack. Cut the lace slowly like. Breathe and take your time. Use some wig grips or a cap underneath to help it stay in place. And if you have flyaways, a little mousse or even water works wonders. Number 4, Brown Highlights Wig for Women. So I found this brown highlight wig on Amazon, and, wasn't ready, y'all. It's the Wee Brown Highlights Wigand. First of all, the color blend? Chef's kiss. It's that perfect mix of chocolate brown with warm caramel streaks. Natural, but still extra, you know? Here's why I'm low-key obsessed with it. It's glueless, pre-plucked hairline, so it's giving scalp, beginner, friendly cap with adjustable straps, and it's synthetic but like. You wouldn't know unless I told you. I put this on and was like, oh, okay. I see why people turn into baddies when they wear wigs. Now, if this is your first time wearing a wig, especially with color, don't freak out. It's gonna feel weird for like the first 10 minutes. Totally normal. Here are my top 3 tips. Cut the lace slowly like. Breathe through it. Try it on before styling, so you can see how it lays. And use a little powder on the part if you want it to look extra real. Bonus tip? Film yourself trying it on. It's actually so fun to see your transformation. Number 3. Ombre Blonde Wear and Go Glueless Wigs. Alright, Sorial Talk. I used to think blonde wasn't for me. Like, I love it on other people, but on me? I didn't know if I could pull it off. But let me tell you, this ombre blonde style, she is soft, she is warm. She is that, I just came from brunch kind of cute. And because it blends from like that natural brown into blonde, you don't get that harsh line or super fake look. It's just, okay, so here's what made me say yes to this wig. It's glueless. Like, no glue, no gels, no drama. You literally just put it on, adjust the strap, sand, boom. You're done. This one I found on Amazon is from a brand called Brown Bomb Super. Cute name, right? Here's what I love. Tease wear and go saves time. The lace is soft, not itchy. Pre-plucked hairline so it looks natural. Heat resistant if you want to style it up. And it has adjustable straps so it stays snug all day. Like, I don't know who needs to hear this, but you don't need a stylist for this wig. You got this. If this is your first time trying a wig, especially a colored one, here are some quick lil tips. Wear a wig cap underneath. It helps it lay better. Cut the lace slowly. And take pics. Seriously. You'll thank yourself later, and if the parting space feels a little flat, just use a hot comb and boom volume. Number 2. Cut HD Lace Front Synthetic Wigs for Women. So this one I found on Amazon. I'll pop the link in the description. It's by End counteroo, and y'all, the color, the body, the soft curls. It's giving HD transparent lace that blends beautifully, pre-cut layers, which means no extra work, no glue needed, yaz, soft, bouncy texture even though it's synthetic, and the fit is super secure with adjustable straps. I literally threw it on before filming this and didn't even have to do much. Like, I was shook. If you're new to HD lace or synthetic wigs in general, breathe. You got this. Here's what helped me. Don't skip the wig cap, it makes everything smoother. If the parting looks too flat, hit it with a hot comb or blow dryer. Dab a lil powder or foundation on the part to match your skin tone. And take your time. You don't need to rush perfection, okay? Number 1. Arabella Highlight, Wear and Go Glueless Wigs. Okay, so, deep breath. This is the Arabella Highlight Glueless Wear and Go wig, and let me tell you, it might be my new obsession. First of all, this highlight blend, the brown and blonde tones, it's soft, it's rich, it looks like something you'd pay like $300 plus to get done in a salon. And it's synthetic, but it doesn't even act like it. It moves, it shines, it's not stiff. And what I really love is its wear and go, which means no glue, no lace cutting, no meltdown routine at 1 a.m. Just throw it on, adjust the straps, and go live your life, girl. So when I got it from Amazon, I'll leave the link down below. It came super fast, packed neatly, and ready to wear. Like, I didn't even need to flat iron it. It's got a natural-looking hairline, adjustable band inside so it's snug but not tight, breathable cap, and the length is just. Chef's kiss, not too much, not too short. You can wear this to brunch, date night, or even just to run errands looking cute. Okay, for my beginner bab shares, a few quick tips that saved me. Use a wig grip band if you want extra security. A little concealer on the part can help it look more like scalp. Don't forget to brush it with a wig-friendly brush, not your regular one. And seriously, don't worry if it's not perfect right away. You'll get more confident each time. All right, babes. That's my little guide to the best glueless wigs to buy for beginners, literally. Every girl needs one in her beauty toolkit. Whether you're switching it up for fun, for confidence, or just because you got this. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try, or if you've already tried one that you love. Share it below, help the next girl out. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that lil bell so you don't miss out on more beginner-friendly beauty guides. See you next time.